Today we are going to analyze the market. Okay, market opportunities is very much in a market right now in this moment. So this is Monday. We are going to analyze the market opportunities currently, which is some of the pair I have forecasted. I'm going to share that pairs and some of the data which is also going to be impacting the market. We'll discuss about that too. Okay, so let me start. This is first pair NZDUSD. All of you today, those who joined today, have you learned about that, how the structure is working and how the mass psychologies keep evolving in a market? So I'm not going to go with the basic now. I'm just stepping into the structure part. So if you look at this is NZDUSD. Very clear price action structure on NZDUSD. Most of the people know that this is what ascending channel is structure. Ascending channel structure is clearly indicating, you can see the price action structure on NZDUSD currently, it is very clear, which is clearly indicating that the price is moving into the ascending channel structure. You can see from the low of the structure what happened. You can see from the low of the structure price moved up. Same thing it was happened too. This was a very previous low from where the price pushed back to the upside, but because it again back to the structure for retesting, it again moved back. So what is the current price action structure? This is what we always look for as an impulse correction continuation. You can see in in NZDUSD currently the price action structure clearly indicating that the price moved up impulsively from the low of the structure and we are forming correction. You can see this is very clear price action structure we are getting in NZDUSD. So on the basis of price action structure, what will be the confirmation? The confirmation will be that once the price will break the correction pattern, you can see price moved up impulsively. Currently it is forming correction. Once the price break the correction pattern, there will be a good confirmation that we can trade this for the long side. You can see very clear price action structure in NZDUSD. But let's back to the structure again. Let's back to the daily time frame. You can see this is what the daily time frame pattern. What is the daily time frame pattern is saying? If you look at this, the in daily time frame pattern, the price also very close to the structure. You can see first touch, this is a second touch. The price was at the level of third touch, and this is what very important high value area. What we look for in a high value area, we look for some pushback. Same thing in happened to the market too. You can see the price from the low of the structure, what happened, the price pushed back to the upside, and this is what we look for again and again. And what currently the price, if you look at this, it is forming a clear ascending channel structure in a lower time frame, which is giving us a clear indication that this is very clear price action structure which we should have to trade for the long. Okay, so this is what the top to down analysis on NZDUSD. If you look at this, very clear price action pattern. Okay, if you look at this in a higher time frame too, the price moved up impulsively. This impulsive candle is clearly indicating that this is what the higher time frame structure indicating. Okay, whenever the price moved up impulsively, if you look at this previously too, you can see this is what the impulsive candle looks like, same which we have currently. So whenever the price form impulsive move in a market, what we look for? We look for the corrections. You can see the price form correction. Okay, and now what we are waiting for? We are waiting for the confirmation. When we will get confirmation? We will get confirmation once the price will break this structure. I'm telling you guys, you should definitely have to trade this once the price will break this means this price action structure. Once the price will break this important level, you should definitely get into this trade for the long. You can see this is what the same price action pattern it was formed previously too, but at that time the circumstances was different, the structure was different, so it moved down. But if you look at this impulse, it formed correction. Once the price break continuation, there's a higher possibility that the price will move up. So this is what I'm saying, looking for on the basis of price action structure. This is what I'm looking for. Once the price will break the correction pattern, there's a higher possibility that the price will move up, and this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so this is my first forecasting for first forecasting for the week. I will show you some of the forecasted chart too. This is what I was forecasted previously on a weekends too. So this is NZDUSD, very clear price action structure, and you should definitely look for this. Any doubt, guys? If you have any doubts related to the structure, you can ask me.